Hey everybody, welcome to Mom Party. I'm Jessica and today we're gonna make this amazing doormat. If you could like and subscribe, it would be my most favorite thing that you could do. This would be like a really cheap and probably ineffective jade roller. Beauty tips from Mom Party. I'm trying really hard not to get paint on this sweater. It's gonna happen. I didn't even get to use it. Because I am so creative and innovative and unique, I got one of these things that I know none of you guys have ever seen before on Amazon. And I'm gonna put it underneath the doormat. I'm like, must be the first person to have thought of that, right? It's all over Pinterest, it's everywhere. I have a bunch of printables available for you guys in the description below. I looked up quite a bit of fall puns and I made a few options to do a stencil for a doormat for you guys. Go look down in the description below, click the link and then it'll pop up. You can print it out, it's easy. So the first step is to make your stencil. I used my silhouette machine to cut it out for me on this stencil material, but if you don't have a Cricut or a Cricut, is it Cricut? I don't know. If you don't have a cutting machine, then you'll have to cut out the letters by yourself, but don't forget to keep like the inside of the letters. All right. It's all sticking together. This is probably gonna end up being so crooked. This is so ridiculous. I did it. I have this outdoor, DIY outdoor exterior paint. I'm using this because this is an outdoor rug. Outdoor paint, outdoor rug. Let's just slap some paint on there and see how this goes. I need a trash can. I don't know if you can see it the way that I'm seeing it, but it looks really splotchy right now. So that's when we're gonna take our little detail paintbrush and go in and kind of fill everything in. The material of this doormat is really porous, so it's hard for this paint to saturate deep down and get like a really bold color. If you had maybe a fabric doormat, I think that just using the sponge brush and stippling the paint onto the stencil would totally work and you wouldn't have to go in and do this extra step. If you would like to see a picture of this doormat in all of its fall glory, check out my Instagram page at MomPartyYT. The YT stands for YouTube. I didn't know if that was obvious or if I should clear that up. YouTube. And if you guys have an easier way to do this, please leave me a comment below and enlighten me. I love it. I think it's awesome. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I will see you next week.